most of them I know.
Kilala
Yes,
mo, karamihan
yes,
doon sa
yes.
180.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did any one of them ever tell you na ayaw nila yung pagpirma nila?
In confidence, masama ang loob, Your Honor.
Masama ang loob, ba't may masama ang loob?
Pinilit sila, Your Honor. But in confidence, so I cannot say who told me that, Your Honor.
Okay. I will respect that. That's all, Your Honor.
Just one question, Your Honor, for...
Just a minute, tapos ka na ba, Rudy?
Yes, Your Honor.
Tapos ka na
Tapos na po.
O sige, sino gusto mag-cross?
Just one question on redirect, Your Honor.
O sige.
One question only.
Redirect. Okay.
Mr. Witness, what is the problem if your PDAP is delayed? What is wrong with that?
Malaking problema po yun. Kasi yung infrastructure projects, inaasahan ho yan ng mga constituents natin, madidelay. Magbibigay ako ng mas konkretong halimbawa. Lalong-lalo na yung social services. Kasi dyan ho yung medical assistance. Pag na-delay ho yung medical assistance, paano ho kung may nagkasakit? Hindi mo naman pwedeng sabihin, maghintay ka ng 3 buwan bago ka magpagamot. Yung scholarship ho, ang pasukan, June. Kung hindi mo nakuha yung PDAF mo ng Mayo, paano ho papasok sa eskwelahan yung scholar mo? Katulad ko, ang PDAF ko nakuha ko ng Agosto. Paano ho yung scholar ko ng June and July? So malaking problema ho yun, Your Honor.
Oh, nothing further.
No more?
No more, Your Honor.
Are you through with the witness? Are you through?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. The witness is discharged.
Mr. President,
Oh,
Senator Miriam Santiago wishes to ask questions.
wait,
to
let's discharge first the witness.
Yes, to the witness, Mr. President.
Toby, you can now go. You can now go.
Yes, we cannot discharge the witness, Mr. President, because Senator Santiago wishes to ask questions to the witness.
So the lady member of the court from Iloilo is now will now have the floor to ask with questions.
Unfortunately, Mr. President, Senator Santiago wants to ask the questions tomorrow.
Well, anyway, we will discharge Toby now.
For today.
For today.
But
Toby,
ask him to return tomorrow, Mr. President.
please bear with us. You come back tomorrow.
Tomorrow at 2 o'clock.
All right?
I have no choice, Your Honor.
Pasensya ka na. So, are you presenting another witness, Mr. Counsel?
Your Honor, please, we have requested subpoena for the appearance of these witnesses, Your Honor. And luckily enough, we filed it last week up to now.
Who are these witnesses?
We have... Ano ba yung huli? Ano ba yung huli? Ano ba yung huli? Hindi, ano ba yung huli? Uy, ikaw.
So, permission to leave for today?
Yes, you're discharged.
Toby, you can now go home.
Okay.
Just come back tomorrow. Huh?
Sorry.
Did we deny this? I understand that this request for subpoena duces tecum could not be granted because their testimony, according to the request for subpoena, is related to the issue of verification. So we have not. Have we released the it was already decided in open court a while ago.
In view of that development, Your Honor, we will not touch on the question verification, Your Honor. We will present them on other aspects of the case, Your Honor. Your Honor, please, we are referring to Congressman Mandanas and Congressman Remulla, Your Honor, together with Congressman Rufus Rodriguez, Your Honor. Now, this afternoon, gawa na ba yung request ko sa PIN?
So you're going to use them as witnesses for other matters.
Correct, Your Honor.
All
Very
right.
correct.
Yes, we will grant the subpoena.
No, we have an opposition to that. We filed an opposition, Mr. President, today.
Just a minute.
Just point
One
of
by one.
clarification.
That's the pleasure of the gentleman.
Point of clarification, Mr. President. I thought we had a ruling before that members of a co-equal branch of government or for members of a co-equal branch of government will not issue subpoena. The same manner that we ruled that we will not issue a subpoena against members of the Supreme Court.
Now we have...
Please correct me if I'm wrong, Mr.
We have-
President.
With that,
Mr. President.
Your Honor, we have talked with this congressman, Your Honor, and they are very much willing to testify, but they wanted at least that they should be subpoenaed, Your Honor. That is the
Mr. President, may
that
I...
is the request, Your Honor.
Mr. President.
Just one by one, please.
Mr. President.
Let me hear the gentleman first. Proceed.
We are through, Your Honor. We stated... we have-
What's the pleasure of the majority for
I would like to concur with Senator Lacson, Mr. President, just to remind the court that we did have an agreement to that effect. Now, if the defense would like to present them as witnesses, they can present themselves
Can you present them
voluntarily, and we will have no problem with it. But for us to issue a subpoena, we will be violating our own rule.
How about an invitation, Your Honor?
Even an invitation, Mr. President, we did not issue that to a Supreme Court justice
Because-
and to a congressman that the prosecution was asking for. The sauce for the goose will be the sauce for the gander, Mr. President.
The problem with the alleged prohibition is when there is an objection on the part of the person or party subpoenaed, Your Honor. In this case, we were assured when we talked to them that they have no objection to being subpoenaed. Only they wanted to make it clear that they are coming over pursuant to the subpoena.
May we be heard, Mr. President? May we be heard, Mr. President?
Yes.
We respectfully oppose that, Mr. President, because in the case of Justice Sereno, this honorable court also told us that we should, on our own, invite her if we wish. And this honorable Senate never extended the invitation, much more a subpoena. And may we inform the honorable Senate that the rules of the House under Rule 23 governs response to subpoenas, Your Honor. And there are procedures that we will have to follow. And we invoke inter-chamber courtesy, Mr.
May I suggest, Mr. Counsel, that you talk to these members of the House, if indeed they want to testify in the interest of justice, to appear here voluntarily, because we do really have this problem about subpoenaing our counterparts in the House of Representatives.
Will this position of the Honorable Impeachment Court, Your Honor, be equally applicable to adverse parties, Your Honor?
No, if they're adverse parties, I think
Then
they are here, so I'm sure that they can testify and they can take care of themselves.
Okay then, Your Honor, we will just continue with our reiteration.